Okay, so guys, to fix this problem, what you have to do is to search for Boomplay app. So when you find your Boomplay app, just use your finger to tap on it for some while, and this is going to pop up. When it pop up, tap on the app info, and after tapping on app info, you're going to be in this place. So what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. So after tapping on clear cache, go back, tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. So after tapping on force stop and OK, what you have to do is to make sure your permissions are all allowed. So now go back when you've allowed every permission. Tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. Now go back and try to go to your phone menu, and when you get to your phone menu, just try to search for Google Play Store and tap on it to open it. When you open it, what you have to do is to try to update Boomplay app over here. So as you can see, we need to get the latest update of Boomplay. So what you have to do is to turn on your data and tap on it, then make sure you update it. So after updating it, you're going to see this open over here. So when you get open, or when you see open over here after updating it, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, then you tap on restart or reboot. So after tapping on restart or reboot and you accept it, it's going to turn off and turn on automatically, and this problem is going to be fixed when it's turned on. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.